Hey everyone, I am Ashish and today I am going to show you how to do paper cutting of alphabet B. If you are watching my videos first time, don't forget to tap the subscribe button and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. So let's start with taking a rectangular paper of dimensions 14 into 19 cm. Now pay attention while drawing the boxes. Use the parameters shown here. Now we will start drawing letter B in main area. Okay, it's simpler than A because we can see there is already a B letter drawn. We only need to curve the sharp edges so it will look like this. Okay, so let's draw the design here, and if you wanted to draw it from the image, then image link is in description. You can download it from there. You can use colorful papers also so that your cuttings will look more attractive. Now I am using a knife cutter to cut the parts. You can use paper cutter also as per your convenience, but I will suggest a knife cutter.